Hi, my name is Lydia. I'm a French native speaker and I speak 4 languages. This course is designed to teach you French without textbook. Listen and repeat. Today let's see je veux et je voudrais. Je veux. To express something that you want. Je veux plus a noun or je veux plus infinitive verb. Je veux un taxi. Je veux rentrer tôt ce soir. Veux-tu or voulez-vous sortir ce soir? This is more a written way to ask a question, inverting the verb and the subject. In the spoken language, you will use the simple sentence and raise your voice at the end to mark the question. Tu veux sortir ce soir? Here is a way to express the negation. Je ne veux pas de café. Je ne veux pas prendre de café. Now let's see je voudrais, I would like. It's the same way to make the sentence, je voudrais plus noun or je voudrais plus infinitive verb. Je voudrais un verre d'eau. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais louer une voiture. Now let's see the difference between je voudrais and j'aimerais. They both mean I would like. Je voudrais, it's a polite way to order something, for example. You can say je veux une baguette, but it's kind of rude. So you will prefer to say je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. And j'aimerais is more used to express like a wish. J'aimerais bien avoir de l'argent pour voyager. The translation in English can be I would like to have money to travel. But it could be also I wish I had money to travel. J'aimerais ou j'aimerais bien mean the same thing. J'aimerais bien venir avec vous. I would like to come with you. La conjugaison du verbe vouloir. At the present tense and at the present conditional tense. Je veux, je voudrais. Tu veux, tu voudrais. Il, elle, on veut. Il, elle, on voudrait. We will see in the next slide how to use on. Nous voulons, nous voudrions. Vous voulez, vous voudriez. Ils veulent, ils voudraient. Now let's see how to say we in the informal way. In the spoken language, you will never hear nous and you will never use nous. If you want to sound more French, you will use on instead. On veut, on voudrait, on aimerait. Note that the E of aimerait is contracted and disappears in the spoken language. On aimerait instead of on aimerait. On aimerait bien aller à la fête. On voudrait aller au cinéma. Et maintenant, entraînez-vous. Now, let's practice. How would you say that you would like to reserve a room? Je voudrais réserver une chambre. How would you ask to someone that you know if he wants a dessert? Tu veux un dessert? In the spoken language. Or veux-tu un dessert? in a more formal language. How would you say that she would like to travel? Elle aimerait voyager. We could use elle voudrait voyager, but it's more like a wish, so we are using elle aimerait voyager. How would you say that you don't want to take the train? Je ne veux pas prendre le train. How would you say that they would like to stay longer? Ils aimeraient rester plus longtemps. How would you say that you don't want to come to the people you're talking to? Je ne veux pas venir avec vous. How would you say that you would like to go to the beach? You are two persons speaking in the informal way. On aimerait aller à la plage. Repeat this lesson as many times as needed in order to pronounce easily all the sentences. Dive into French life with my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please click on the blue thumb to promote it. If you have any question or if you want to practice, you can use the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the next videos. Salut!